Let's start with deoxygenated blood returning to the heart. We need to remember that deoxygenated bloods return to the right atrium via 3 different vessels. From the superior, we have the superior vena cava, and we have the inferior vena cava, and then we have the coronary sinus returning deoxygenated blood from the heart itself. Once that deoxygenated blood is in the right atrium, it's going to move from the right atrium into the right ventricle. Now there is a valve situated between the right atrium and right ventricle that's going to prevent backflow. What is the name of that valve? That is the tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve preventing backflow from the right ventricle back to the right atrium. When the right ventricle contracts, it is going to pump that deoxygenated blood towards the lungs. How does it get to the lungs? Well, it has to first push through what is called the pulmonary semilunar valve in order to enter into the pulmonary trunk. From there, the pulmonary trunk will split into a right and left pulmonary artery, which carries that deoxygenated blood to the right and left lungs, respectively. Then the blood becomes oxygenated and is returned to the left atrium of the heart via one of 4 pulmonary veins. We have 2 right pulmonary veins, 2 left pulmonary veins. The oxygenated blood is returned to the left atrium. From the left atrium, the blood moves to the left ventricle. The backflow from the left ventricle to the left atrium is prevented by the mitral valve, can also be called the bicuspid valve. The left ventricle, when it contracts, it's going to pump that blood through the aortic semilunar valve, and so the blood can enter into the aorta, where it will then enter into systemic circulation, reach the tissues, gas exchange happens, blood becomes deoxygenated blood again, and it is going to return to the right atrium of the heart.